Did you know that AI in the computer vision market is projected to reach $51.3 billion by 2026 at a CAGR of 26.3%? Computer vision is used to detect and classify objects, example, road signs or traffic lights, create 3D maps or motion estimation, and it plays a key role in making autonomous vehicles a reality. Now computer vision applications can be made to run on TinyML devices like microcontrollers connected with a small camera like arducam with image classification of over 99% and a processing time of just milliseconds. The rest of this video outlines how to use the TinyML Vision classification technology to classify images. Complexities of creating custom computer vision applications range from identifying data science to image processing. It requires developing fresh datasets for improved algorithm results depending on the forecasted outcomes. Additionally, the accuracy and effectiveness of your model are impacted by how the training data is labeled. AITS engineers have developed low-code platforms with templates to quickly classify images or video frames for flag presence of certain persons, places, things or animals like cats and dogs. AITS engineers have created a TinyML Vision solution with images from the popular CIFAR 10 dataset for image classification. This TinyML Vision solution can detect objects in video frames running at 10 frames per second. The Vision dataset is easily customized with your camera and an image capture solution like cAInvas. The dataset is then fed to a TinyML platform like cAInvas with preprocessing that includes normalization and augmentation, and training the model, resulting in an accurate model that is compiled with DeepC. Resulting application is ported to a TinyML device connected with an image sensor of a typical RGB camera that is mobile enough to run on batteries and with no internet connection, so you can easily carry it in your pocket to help others. AITS engineers have simplified custom computer vision solutions using low-code or no-code platform. A low-code platform with a similar template can be used to customize your images and create a new TinyML Vision solution for your images. AITS engineers have further developed a no-code platform that lets you create a brand new TinyML Vision solution for your images. So don't let complexities of creating and customizing TinyML Vision solutions hold you back. Create new solutions today to help your family, friends, and neighbors. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.